How's it going, friends? Welcome back to the channel, and hello September. Congratulations for those who survived this boring but quite interesting summer in the crypto space. Of course, in this video we're gonna try to analyze and discuss about what is going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum on a bigger time frame. What can we expect and what kind of, trading opportunities this September could bring us? Of course, 7 times out of 10, or let's just say 70%, most of the times, September is a very bearish month in the crypto. I mean, specifically for Bitcoin. So let's just try to analyze what all the bullish and bearish scenarios are right now. What do we see right now? Of course, I posted my 2 setups in my trading channel that is linked down below. Go check it out, go join it, it's absolutely free. I posted those 2 trading setups, those 2 technical analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we're just gonna try to discuss about everything into by using this video content on YouTube. So yeah, let's take a look on Bitcoin. What just happened? What could happen? I mean, what are the probabilities right now? So all I'm seeing right now that the Bitcoin is still rejecting, and the price are still on the bigger time frame, on the daily time frame. I mean, they're still inside this descending channel. There's a probability for us to start seeing a movement to the downside, of course, but I'm gonna tell you why. What do I see right now? Bitcoin is still got rejected from this mid-range, and for me to be bullish again, I want the price flip above this mid-range, but Bitcoin has to beat the battle inside this range. I mean, somewhere in the middle of this channel's range, because from our previous highs, swing highs, to our swing lows, if I'm gonna try to use Fibonacci tools, we got rejected, and as well from this golden zone, and this golden zone is going to represent our massive resistance that we have to beat for us to start being bullish again. Of course, once we flipped above this golden zone, but look at this baby, beautiful supply zone that I telling you guys that there's a probability for us to retest this massive supply zone, and of course connected beautifully with this descending trend line that acts as a resistance as well. So right now, all I'm saying that for me to start being bullish again, I want to see the price flipping above this mid-range, beat this whole resistance zone, and then clean breakout through this descending trend line. Boom, and put the price, I'm gonna push the price to the upside and retest the top of this channel, because according to I'm not gonna show you all the charts, but according to the CoinGlass, go do your own goddamn research. On the top of this channel at around $67,000 and $70,000 per Bitcoin, we have a lot of liquidity, billions of dollars of liquidity. So a lot of bulls are hoping to see a retest at around, this whole area, maybe a fake out, and then a fake out through this channel, and then push the price to the downside again. But Bitcoin, if you remember my previous video, of course, there's not a lot of things that change after the previous video. Only the charts become more cleaner to me to make, a rational decision to, make my own decision what to do next, what this September could bring me. So all I'm seeing right now that still on the bigger time frame, we have this ascending support zone at my spider web. I'm just gonna call my trend lines a spider webs. So after this clean breakout, there is still a chance for us to start retesting the bottom of this channel. That is around what, 52.7, 52.5 $52.5 thousand per Bitcoin. Sorry about that, per Bitcoin. And of course, if this bear scenario will play out and the price gonna respect the previous demand zone at around here, of course we have a lot of, let's just say, we have a lot of demand and the support at this zone. So even here or here, the price can, there's a probability for us to start seeing this drawdown, and then price gonna flip to the upside. And even the prices, even it's gonna close here or here, it doesn't matter, because on the bigger picture, we won't be creating a lower low. We're gonna create a higher low, and this is some kind of like inverse head and shoulder patterns that could send the price to the upside. So that would be wonderful to see for the Bitcoin. It would be like strong enough to hold somewhere around here. Of course, everything that's below, I mean, from here to everything what is below, I'm still accumulating. For example, Ethereum, I don't care about this bear scenario. But still, if we're going to see a lower price, I'm still accumulating. I don't care. I'm still waiting for the second rally. I'm trying to believe in this. So if we're going to bounce on here, so it won't be creating a higher low, and that would be a very bullish sign for me to start opening a massive, I don't know, a long position at this zone. So that would be a wonderful and bullish scenario. So still a bullish scenario number one from here. Or if I'm gonna see the price flipping to the, I don't know, to the upside, the bullish scenario from here. Or on the lower time frame, all I'm just trying to see if I can catch a swing, or let's just say a scalp long or whatever. Of course, if I would zoom in, there would be like definitely a bearish momentum and stuff on the charts. So I would like, I don't know, on a 1 hour time frame, I'll start looking for shorts. But still, I'm looking for those long, like, I don't know, big ass movements to the upside. That is where I want to focus and build my long positions on those levels that I'm discussing. Like, I don't know, like after the clean breakout or somewhere around here. So we'll see. That's pretty much on Bitcoin right now, still in this descending channel. Of course, we saw that Bitcoin formed this, let's just say, expanding some kind of falling wedge pattern that that we discussed that the history could repeat itself, because comparing the previous COVID crash with this one. So right now, Bitcoin, after forming, I mean connecting all the dots, form a cleaner picture, let's just say that. So these are my scenarios. I'm looking for the price drop like at around 52.6 or 55.7, somewhere around here. Of course, this demand, this whole support has to hold us, because all I can see that 47, if we're going to see a massive crash during September, and if it's going to play out like, I mean, the history going to repeat itself, that September will be our, I don't know, a very bearish month. So all I'm seeing right now that we're going to see a massive drawdown. So of course, lower low would be created, and 47 is my, let's just say, sweet spot, a key level, a resistance zone. That would be, I mean, and 44.5, because look, we here have a massive, I mean, there's a massive demand, a massive support zone at around here. So yeah, we're gonna see a bigger drawdown. Of course, I'm not panicking. I don't care if I'm gonna see massive drawdown to the downside. I'm gonna retest those levels. Definitely, and I posted this, I was serious about this. If you're in my trading channel, I posted this seriously. If we're gonna see a lower price, I'm going all in, and I'm dead serious, all in on this. So that's what I was wanted. I'm always like trying to predict all those drawdowns, because I wanted to buy some more, because I'm not gonna tell you how much, but I have money to invest more, and I want to invest everything, not that I have, but what I plan to invest. That was my plan, and I'm trying to stick to my plan. That is why I'm not like getting into a FOMO so much when everything was pumping. So yeah, that's pretty much on the Bitcoin. Of course, I'm just trying to navigate based on the Bitcoin drawdowns and trying to compare all the altcoins and Ethereum, what I'm going to buy more if the Bitcoin is going to drop. Because if the Bitcoin is going to drop, a lot of coins are be like, I don't know, dropping. Altcoins will going to drop even harder. So let's jump straight into Ethereum charts. Ethereum at this point is a little bit more cleaner to me. I mean, charts in general. This massive, beautiful descending channel right now. And for me to remain, I mean, become a bull from the bear right now, to see a clean breakout through this descending trend line that acts as a resistance. The more touches we have, the more confirmation we have. I believe 1, 2 on the lower time frame, like 4 hours, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I calculated 7 touches, so I believe it's valid, and it's a beautiful confirmation that after breakout the price can, I mean, go to the upside and retest this mid-range. Look how this mid-range acts beautifully as a let's just say, resistance at this point. I mean, in the previous, that was our support. So it acts beautifully. And for me, this level is valid. And for me to, yeah, become a bull again, to clean breakout through this descending trend line, flipped above mid-range, and then retest this previous support that is right now our resistance. Why? Because this is where the price was respected the most. Nothing new if you remember my previous video. And yeah, I want to see Ethereum's battle somewhere around inside or near this range, this resistance zone, and I want to see clean breakout through this beautiful descending channel. That after the breakout, god damn it, Ethereum, let's just go and retest those all-time high levels, or send the Ethereum to all-time highs, because Ethereum hasn't reached this all-time highs like comparing with the Bitcoin. So I'm looking forward to see that. So yeah, these are my two setups. Also, like I mentioned you before, I post those on my trading channel, which is linked down below. Go check it out. Join. It's absolutely free, so have nothing to lose. And yeah, well, the bearish scenario would be if this, on a daily time frame, beautiful spider web, let's just say support ascending trend line, won't hold us. And yeah, I see that there's a probability or like a possibility that this demand will hold us, and Ethereum price will drop and retest somewhere around like 2.1 2100, somewhere around that level. So that would be perfect support, because this is where the price is respected the most. I mean, this whole demand zone and this one, impulse and movements to the upside, this right now, like here, 2.117 ish, something like that. So that would be, yeah, also like on the Bitcoin, if the price is going to retest the zone, gonna bounces back up, clean breakout through this descending trend line that acts as a resistance, we also will be creating a higher low. That would be a bullish indicator for me. So yeah, these are my like two setups. I'm keeping my eyes on the lower time frame, like on the 4-hour time frame or 5, 3, 2-hour time frames. I'm keeping my eyes on those descending trend lines. So yeah, the price in general, the price can go even lower. But to open my I don't know, a new long position or whatever, I'm keeping my eyes on those descending trend lines. After the breakout, I'm preparing some fireworks on my, I don't know, Bybit account. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Enjoy your Sunday, guys. I mean, yeah, again, congratulations for those who survived this boring summer. We got some drawdowns. So yeah, don't be greedy. Like always, use your stop losses. Join my trading channel. Turn your notifications on, because yeah, don't be left behind. So enjoy. The summer is over right now, and yeah, September. And yeah, guys, I'm just like super excited to start this new trading season. I had enough of this summer. Boring but quite interesting summer. Of course, those crashes and everything, but still, yeah, waiting for that volume to start hitting into the market. And also, almost forgot, on Twitter, there's a lot of like crazy stuff. A lot of people are bullish, a lot of people are like bearish, whatever. Still, if you remember my previous video, a lot of people are trying to compare and try to navigate inside this ascending channel, like we discussed in my previous video. Same channel, like now, like higher lows. 68.5k is the next target for some people right now. There's a lot of bullish stuff going on the Wall Street. Ethereum flag is rising up. I mean, Solana, which I saw this post like all over the Twitter, that Solana on the chain volume has hit all-time lows. Even at $12, Solana has more on chain volume. So does that mean that this is a Solana's bottom, or what? Or the volume is gonna start, like, I don't know, increasing, or there's some kind of divergence based on the volume. So we'll see. Which is also crazy that the Russia starts using Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies for international, I don't know, transactions from tomorrow. So which is Monday. So we'll see how it plays out. And I mean, how's that gonna affect the whole, I don't know, crypto space? And yeah, big money is like going to market ATF. Still, everyone is trying, I don't know, accumulate and buy more. A lot of people are still trying to compare previous cycle with this one, which is like, I'm trying to compare those cycles as well, but you know, nothing is like 100%, so only speculations, no predictions. So yeah, like comparing the previous bull rally and that previous halving, yeah, insane rally to the upside, and a lot of people are expecting to see the same movements in the market. So we'll see how's gonna play out everything. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. Let's just wait for Monday. Let's just start this new trading season after the summer. Yeah, don't be greedy. Always secure gains. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye.